here's the problem. You're pressing a button, nothing happens. Doesn't lock, doesn't unlock.
No.
What you're gonna need is a small flathead screwdriver. A butter knife would work, but this is what I like to use. Some goof off or goo gone. A battery. You need the CR2032 3-volt battery. You'll see that on the packaging, that number 2032. And you're gonna need some cotton swabs. You're gonna use it with this. A piece of paper and your regular ruler. All right, we already demonstrated that the buttons didn't work. So let's start fixing it. First, we're gonna take off the key. Then we're gonna get our screwdriver. I like to start at the corner here. Opens pretty easy. I've opened this one a couple times. Maybe the first time will be a little harder. This is the bottom. And this is, the microchip where the buttons are and everything. So we'll take this off. Here's the rubber insert with the little pucks. Those make contact with these to make the key work. The first thing I saw in this is these were a little bent back. So I like to raise them a little bit. Just softly. You don't want to go too hard on them or you could break them. So they make better contact with the battery. Second, you gotta make sure it's a 2032, CR2032. Okay, I bought this from Amazon. It was only like $8. Totally worth it. It comes with new pucks. Because you could see maybe on your old one, these are falling off or they're really crappy. But these are brand new. They work perfect. $8, totally worth it. Good investment. If you're trying to repair a key, maybe get some new parts on it so it looks nicer. This are the contacts. They get really dirty because, your key, you take it everywhere with you. And stuff gets in the inside, so they get dirty. So what I do is get the goof off. You open it, because you can use the screwdriver. Sometimes it opens with your thumb. Put a little bit of that on here. Just go to the contacts that look dirty. This stuff's really good. It dries real fast and everything. You can use it on these microchips and everything. It'll be fine. Just don't oversaturate it, These are the two I only use because I don't have all the extra stuff on my Jeep. I have the regular Laredo. So I use this one, and that's a panic one. I never use that one. All right, so it's clean. Sometimes it might take you longer to clean it. It depends how dirty it is or there's goose stuck on it or whatever. So that's good. You just let it dry. It dries real fast because there's a lot of alcohol in it. So what we're gonna do, you just put it back. And then what I did here, put this back here. This is the part. I put it back together before and then it still didn't work. And I was pretty aggravated, I guess you could say, because it was a lot of work. Well, a lot of research I did to try to fix it and nothing would work. But I figured maybe it's not making enough contact because, it's warped over time because it's plastic, you have it in the sun sometimes and everything. So what I did is I just got a little piece of paper here. And I just, fold it a little bit here. Maybe like that. About that thick, about let's say 1/8 of an inch thick, maybe 3/4 of an inch long. And what I did was just place it right here where the battery is, right there. So maybe it'll push this part up a little bit, so the buttons will make better contact with the rubber and the pucks. And what I did was just put it, make sure it goes down all the way to the top. And make sure you don't press the panic button, because it might work right away here. Well, it should work right away. If you press the panic button, your car will start going crazy, you know what I mean? And the only way to turn that off is by going over your car, turning it back on, and then driving it around for a little bit, which is, you don't want to do that, especially if you have neighbors. It makes a lot of noise. So I'm going to close it. Put the key back on. Let's go check it out outside. Alright, now we're going to test it out again. You see, it's unlocking. Right, it's a little blurry. There. Unlocking and locking. Locking, unlocking, locking. Works perfect.